Most enterprises think automation takes months. I automated our entire IPD claims process in 1 week. I had never built automation before. Before this, every claim came in through email. We manually verified documents against insurer requirements. We tracked status in spreadsheets and Slack. It took 30 to 40 minutes per claim, and there was no single source of truth. At some point, we realized this was not a people problem. It was a workflow problem. So we rebuilt the process using Amazon QuickSuite. Instead of explaining it, I will just show you. The claim email is automatically ingested. Attachments are stored in structured folders. Key data is extracted from the form. Amazon QuickSuite validates the information against our rules. The claim is written to a live tracking sheet, and an acknowledgement is generated instantly. What used to take 40 minutes now takes about 2 to 3. The impact was immediate and measurable. Processing time dropped from 40 minutes to just 2 to 3. Error rates were cut in half. Failure rates decreased by 50%. Employee satisfaction increased from 75% to nearly 90%. And for the first time, write processing improved to over 90%. This was operational acceleration, and our team got its time back. But I could not have done this alone. Amazon QuickSuite is powerful, but we needed secure integrations, defined permissions, and governance. Imumba's AWS Gen AI engineers helped us set that foundation. They worked alongside me to build the first workflow. After that, I understood how to build the next one. This was not just automation. It was capability building.